In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove an object from a picture in Photoshop, okay? So it's pretty straightforward and simple. So I have an image right here with two people, one on the left, one on the right hand side. So if I want to remove this person on the left hand side, all I have to do is go to the lasso tool. So you can see the third option from the top. You want to right click on that and you want to make sure you select the lasso tool. Now all you need to do is outline the specific object that you want to remove, just like I'm doing right now. Okay, so it just has to be a rough outline of that specific object. Then you match it up like that. Then you want to go to edit at the top. Then you want to go to fill, or you could press Shift F5 on your keyboard. So I'll click on fill, make sure it's on content aware, and then you just click on OK. And as you can see, that person has now been removed from the specific image. Okay, so I'll just deselect that, and now you can see it looks pretty good. Like if I make it bigger, it doesn't look like there's too many errors in that. Okay, but if there are errors, you just go to the lasso tool again. Let's just say there's a error here where it's outlined too much. You would just select that area, then you would go back to edit, you would go back to fill, and then you would just click on OK. Okay, and that's basically all you have to do. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.